Good morning, guys. This is Pushpakraj, and today's topic is on what is meant by severity. So, firstly, the definition of severity is severity means the impact of bug on the software or application is known as a severity. Means how much impacted a particular bug on the application. On the basis of that, severity will be decided. So, there are the four types of severity. First one is the blocker, second one is the critical, third one is the major, and fourth one is the minor. So first one is the blocker means we cannot proceed to the next module or next step, and unnecessarily test engineers sit idle. Means suppose we are giving an example of investment banking application home page. Suppose after clicking on ABC company, and after clicking you cannot reach on the buy page or sell page. Suppose this is the sell page or this is the buy page. After clicking on the ABC company share, I am not reaching on that particular page. Means what happening here is the blocker, or blocker can be proceed in the next module or next step. Means because of blocker you cannot proceed on the next step. Means from home page to the sell page or buy page we cannot proceed. Means this is the blocker. Then move to the next one, that is the critical means the main functionality of the application is not working and the test engineer cannot continue the testing. Means the critical means the main functionality of the application is not working. Main functionality of the application is not working means what? The login id is not working, the password functionality is not working. So that is the main functionality which is not working. Without working of that we cannot proceed the further. Means that is known as the main functionality. On the basis of example you can take that. Okay. Minor means what? Minor means the supporting components of the application or modules are not working fine, but the test engineer can continue the testing. Means suppose the cancel button is not working, or the other button is not working, but because of that other button or cancel button your working is not stopped, because the other functionality is working fine but some functionality is not working. Means the test engineer can do the testing. Means this is the major functionality means supporting component of the application or modules not working. Okay, that is the major. Okay, next move to the minor means which means that all the user interface functionality are not working fine but the test can be proceed without interruption. Means user interface means the home page, this is the user interface. The home page module is showing blur but the functionality is working fine, so that comes under the minor functionality. So that is the severity, guys. I also explain the priority, and in this channel I have created the multiple test cases templates and project based videos also. So please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.